Hey guys, my name is Costa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create your own mockup generator. So basically you upload your work and then you can choose between different presets, borders, ratios and so on. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by writing a very simple prompt: create a mockup creator that allows me to upload images, and I can change the background, add text, overlays, and so on. Okay, cool. So here is the first version. Let's open it in a new tab and let's check it out. I'm gonna upload an image. Now the question is, what can I do? So I can blur the image, this is great, and I can also change the opacity. So this is it basically, and also I can add a text overlay, which is pretty advanced, and I can move it around. It is nice. Now it disappeared. Anyway, so let's delete it. Let's add a new one. Change the color to white maybe. Put it right here. You can also change the opacity, but you can't rotate it. Yeah, this looks great. Now I would actually to use some other features, like for example I have this right here which says image ratio, change the background color to gradient, image, add overlay on top of the image with an opacity slider or solid color, different frames, shadows plus borders. So I'm gonna go back to Magic Path and say add the following features and paste these features right here. Okay, so look at this, guys. That is a completely different design. Now I'm gonna go back to the browser, refresh it, and let's upload a new image. So here is the second image. Now let's change the ratio. Okay, 3:2 is perfect. Nice, I like it. Now we can also change between different background. I see frame. Let's select the frame. Okay, so that is the frame for this image, and minimal, modern. To be honest, I don't know exactly what this means, but I don't need a frame for now. You can also add effects like shadows. I really like this design. Okay, this shadow looks good. Blur it more, and you can also increase the spread and the opacity as well. So that is very, very cool. And you also get a border. I see again a new border, which I don't really like. I also have a dashed border and a dotted border. This one looks interesting, but I still don't want it, so I'm gonna turn this off. I do like this. Now the question is, okay, so here I can choose between solid, gradient and image. I'm gonna choose maybe image. So this looks very, very good, guys. I'm really impressed. Okay, so here I can increase actually the overlay. I see. Okay, looks cool. You can also blur it. I don't know what this means. Can I blur the background? No, apparently it's not possible, but I don't really need this feature right here. What I need actually is the overlay opacity, which is very, very cool. So yeah, I didn't actually expect it to create such a good product. I'm gonna export this now. However, it doesn't work. Yeah, so unfortunately this right here needs to be improved. So I'm gonna go back to Magic Path and say this looks great, but I can't export the image when I click on the export button. Now let's check it out. I'm gonna refresh this and I'm gonna have to upload a new image again. Okay, let's choose 3x2 and then let's try this export button. Now it works. All right, looks great. But also let's try it with a background image. So I'm gonna switch from solid to image and I'm gonna choose this background right here. Maybe let's reduce the opacity to 0 and let's export this one. Okay, so it doesn't export the background yet, so that is not good. I'm gonna say the export button works now only for the mockup, but it doesn't export the background. And let's update it once again. And let's hope that this time it's gonna export with the background. So I'm gonna choose 3x2. Actually, let's maybe select a color for now and try the background. So it's still not exporting the background for some reason. Let's try the gradient. Still nothing. So I'm gonna say it's still not working. I want the mockup plus the background to be exportable. Okay, so let's try it once again, and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna leave it like this. Choose 3x2, then let's choose a gradient and try to export. And now it works. That is great. I'm gonna upload a different image and I'm gonna actually keep it without an overlay because I like it more like this. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go to effects, turn on the shadows, and let's increase the opacity, blur it more, spread it, and then let's play with the Y and X like this. And I believe that is enough, so I'm gonna export this. And look at this, guys. That is very, very good. I love it. One of my favorite products that I built with MagicPad. Now there is a link in the description below where you can use this file and you can add some more features if you want to. You can even export it to a cursor and publish it online if you want to. But I'm gonna stop here, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and I see you next time.